In this video, we'll be showing you how to enable or disable global pages on your website. First, log in as an administrator. From the main navigation, select Admin and then Settings. Here you will find a number of tabs that segregate your settings into areas. Click on the Pages tab. This is where you can choose which global pages are shown in the Your PTA menu. By default, all available pages are shown. Unchecking any of the checkboxes will mean that page will no longer show in that menu. Click on the Update button if any changes are made. To add your own page, head to Admin, Pages, and click on Add Page from the Manage menu. And that's it, you have now successfully updated your pages settings. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.